Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen, and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from styling services to shopping hauls, and my styling services vary from, really nice fancy ones to cheaper bargain type ones or thrift like today's. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below for returning viewers. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Really appreciate it. First of all, I'd like to say that yesterday I went to film this video and my camera completely died. It was an old crappy one. I had bought a new one, but the instruction manual is literally like this thick, and so I had not used it yet. It's been sitting around, and with my old camera dying yesterday, it is time for me to use it. So hopefully this video turns out. I have no idea how to use this camera. I just figured out how to do the video camera mode on it, and I'm guessing at it. So I'm hoping for the best, and at some point I will read through this very thick manual to figure out how to work this thing. So anyways, today we are doing a ThredUP video. If you're not familiar with ThredUP, it is an online resale shop. You can go on there and shop all you want, but they also provide what's called these goodie boxes. First of all, I'd like to say that yesterday I went to film this video and my camera completely died. It was an old crappy one. I had bought a new one where they send you 10 or more items. I think it's just 10 at this point. It used to be 10 to 15, and I know I had old goodie boxes where I got like 18 things in one box, and it was a lot. So a goodie box is basically like the other styling services where you can try before you buy, and a stylist is picking things out for you. You can do themed boxes or just kind of a customized box. I've always done the customized box, but this time I decided to do a theme box, and I think I just did like cold weather theme. Basically, I watched Kelly Schaffner's video where she did a goodie box unboxing, and she got all these amazing jackets, and it was like, I need another ThredUP box. So hopefully I've got some jackets, some sweaters, maybe some pants. I don't remember what I selected. So hopefully I've got some good stuff in here. So let's dig right on in. Okay, so your box comes kind of tissue paper wrapped with your paperwork, with your invoice. Not going to look at that yet. We're just going to dig into this box. This tissue paper seems kind of Christmassy, kind of green and red. I like it. Ooh, immediately off the bat, I see lace. I love lace. I don't know why I love it so much, but I do. Okay, so first off, we have this dress. It is a sleeveless blue and nude color dress with lace, and it's got this ruffle here at the waist, and that is just beautiful. This is by Cachet in a size 0, and I tell ya, I feel like this fits. I'm gonna keep this because this is gorgeous. Don't know where I'll ever wear it to, but it's gorgeous. Okay, next up we have this blouse, black see-through blouse. It does have lace here at the neckline, kind of looks more of a, almost like a boat neckline, and has a little ribbon here in the front. It's actually very beautiful. The sleeves button here at the end, and it is a beautiful blouse. So if I'm ever going to keep a blouse, it'd be one like this. So this is by White House Black Market in an extra small. Next up, we have this J. Crew. It is a plaid, oh, this is new with tags on. Plaid shirt. It is button up and has kind of this beading detail all down the front. So that's very interesting. Not sure how I feel about it. The colors are kind of a green, blue, yellow, white. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. It also has kind of a little bit of tulle on here in the front. I'm kind of on this one, but who knows, once I get it on, I might love it. Now we get to some sweaters. This is by Madewell in extra small, and it is a blue and cream sleeved sweater. I love this. Guys, I'm probably keeping this. I can tell you that already. Has the slit in the side here. I really like this. It doesn't look oversized. I have a feeling that this will be mine. Next up, oh, this is soft. Oh, like a mixed material. Okay, this is by, I mean, is it called Saturday, Sunday? Is it called Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday? I don't know. So I'm not quite sure what this brand is. But this is, oh, this is nice. This is a cardigan, and it is a gray heathered cardigan. It is super soft on the outside here, and just kind of has a straight front down the front. Okay, I really like this. So we'll see what that looks like on. I love the thickness of it. Feels really great, and it has pockets. Everybody loves pockets. Okay, and this is in an extra small. Really like this. This feels really thick quality. Really happy with that. Next up, this is also from Madewell, an extra small. It is a red blouse. It has kind of holes in it, the detail, and kind of a balloon sleeve here, maybe a 3/4 balloon sleeve. I don't know, maybe that's full length. So, and then this tie tassel in the front. Not really my style, but I mean, I love the red. It's just, I'm not really, this is probably a little bit more of a feminine type top than I usually like to wear. Next up, we have by BKE, the tag is kind of cut here, in extra small. It is a V-neck sweater in like different shades of kind of brown and reddish tones. And that V is very deep. So we'll see what that looks like on. I would probably have to put a tank underneath it. And then the front kind of has some interesting draping. It's almost like a faux wrap, but it's a sweater. So it's actually a very interesting sweater. So we'll see if that looks cute on me. Next up, we have pants. So we have a pair of dress pants. This is by Ann Taylor. These are Zero Petite. These are kind of like a wide leg dress pant. I'm more of a skinnier leg dress pant person, but you know, sometimes I put something on and it surprises me and I decide I love it. So maybe I'll love it. Then we have by Linda Allard Ellen Tracy, another pair of dress pants. These are black with just some very faint white striping in them, and we'll see what that looks like on. And then we have a blazer. This is by Michael Kors in extra small. This is probably what they call like a boyfriend blazer. It's pretty big, so you can see that's pretty long. So we will see. I feel like I'm gonna get swallowed up in this thing, but let's check it out. Okay, that is it. Well, I'm a little disappointed. There weren't any jackets in here. I was hoping, other than that blazer, so I was hoping for some cool jacket. I don't need jackets. I don't need jackets whatsoever, but I love them. So I was kind of hoping for some of those, but maybe I didn't fill the survey out right, or I didn't put that in my comments correctly, or I don't know. So, but there are a lot of pieces here I'm really excited about and can't wait to try on, so let's get to it. Okay, first off, we have this dress, and I like the dress. It fits well, though it's slightly snug, and the ruffle is a cute detail, though I'm not sure how much I love that. I don't have it zipped all the way, but that's only because my husband's not home to help me. But this is what it looks like in the back. So I really like it. I think it's a beautiful dress. Since it's only $18, I'm highly considering keeping. Again, I have no idea where I'm going to wear this, but it's a pretty dress. So let's get on the next piece. Okay, next up we have this sweater, and I love it. I don't even care what this costs. I just think this is kind of like a baseball tee look to it, but it's a sweater. I like the cream and the navy together. I like the length of it and the side slits in it, and really like this. All right, next top. Next up, we have this plaid top, and I really am not very much into this. I don't like the balloon sleeves on it. I'm not really into this detail that's up here. While I love that it's new with tags, this really isn't my style. So next up, okay, so this one is a definite no for me. It's just super low cut in the front. I'm just gonna hold it like this because I didn't bother to put a tank on underneath it. So it's just super low cut. I don't really want to have to wear a tank under it. And again, this is a very interesting detail, and it has a nice feminine shape to it. So I just think that's interesting. Okay, I'm reconsidering this. I might keep this with a tank underneath it. So what do you guys think? I could use opinions. Is this cute? Is this not cute? I don't know. What do you guys think of the color? So give me your guys' opinions on this one. That would be great. Okay, next up. Okay, so this blouse has some strangeness to it. So the sleeves are a bit too long. These are not tab sleeves, so I could attempt to roll them up, but I don't think they're gonna stay up. Also, the neckline is a bit weird in my opinion. I don't know, it's just kind of a weird neckline with the lace on it. It's not super comfortable. I'll say though, it fits great here. You know, it's still got enough looseness that I can eat as many cheeseburgers as I want, but it's not nearly as billowy and oversized as other things have been. It's just up here that's the issue. I almost feel like it wants to pull itself out, but then the shoulders get a little bit puffy, like there's way too much fabric there. But if I bring it in, things kind of sit. I don't know. This blouse is a little bit weird, so I will not be keeping this. Next up, we have the red blouse. It's kind of a bright red, and this is definitely not my style. I do not love how big these sleeves are. Again, not so into balloon sleeves, so that's not great. And I don't really love the tassel tie up here because I feel like it's going to be kind of a mess when I wash it, and it's just kind of on me. Okay, next up we have the cardigan and the Ann Taylor dress pants. So starting with the cardigan, I really love it. It is a nice thick cardigan. It is, sorry, I'm trying to stay in the frame here, so I'm kind of hunching down. But it is a nice thick cardigan. It is really soft on the outside. It has these pockets, so I really love this and will most likely be keeping it. And then the dress pants, I actually love these. So these are the wide leg ones. It's a high waist. I love that it's kind of snug up here, and then it's actually a perfect length for wearing heels with. It just comes about, you know, a ½ inch from the ground, and they do not have pockets, but that's fine because it just lays so well. So I really love these, and I believe these were like 14 bucks. So yeah, gonna keep these. So great, love these pieces. Okay, so my very last outfit, we have the blazer, and I would call this a boyfriend blazer. I don't love it. It just feels kind of big on me. I know that these are supposed to be a little bit bigger, but I think the arms have a lot of extra room in them, and the sleeves are too long. Though I see a crease here in it, so let's try to roll this up. This is like a tweed type material, linen, tweed, something like that. It does not roll up well. Okay, so let's not do that. So I'm just kind of about it. What do you guys think? And then the dress pants. Now, I think these were the most expensive item in the box, and I don't know why. I like the fit up top, so it's nice, but they're kind of itchy actually. They're not a great feeling pant. They're kind of itchy, and they seem to wrinkle easily. I'm guessing there's actually probably some linen in them, and they are good length, but I just kind of on these. So If these had maybe been super cheap, I might have thought about keeping them because they would be nice if I ironed them, but since they're close to 40 bucks, it's just not worth keeping for me. So, all right, let's go ahead and do the recap. Okay, I am just going to discuss the items that I want to keep or are maybes. So first off, this sweater is a definite yes. I love the fit of it. The price of it is right. At $22, I think that's a great deal for this. So this is a keeper. The Ann Taylor dress pants, definite yes for me. Really excited because these were only $14. I don't know why they're so cheap, but I love them. So really excited about these. This cardigan, which I think is like $24, $25. Really soft, comfortable, heavyweight. I love that. This is going to be such a comfortable piece for me. In fact, I think this will be my new cardigan that I keep at work because I always keep something at my desk for when I'm freezing cold, and I've got this nasty gray fleece thing that I've got up at my desk, and I think this would be actually a lot cuter thing to keep around. So this, yes. My only actual maybe is probably this dress, and it's, you know, affordable. I think it was only like $18, but I don't know I'm gonna wear it, and I've bought a few dresses from ThredUP that I just have never worn because I don't have the occasion to wear these. I guess I could maybe wear this to a wedding, but I don't have any weddings coming up, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this worth keeping just in case I get a chance to wear it? What do you guys think of the ruffle? I don't know. So that was my ThredUP goodie box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you were interested in trying ThredUP, either to just shop or to purchase a goodie box, then please use my referral link below and you will actually get $10 off of your first purchase. So that's an exciting deal. If you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe below if you have not subscribed yet, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.